Here I have RAZER Phone, and let me show you top tricks for the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start with the gestures. So let's open the list of all applications, choose settings, scroll down and choose system. Here let's tap gestures, and here you can use two gestures. You can jump to camera. So to quickly open the camera, you can press the power button twice. So let me make sure that I've got enabled this feature. Let's go back. You can also lift to check the phone. So to check time, notification, icons and other info, you can pick up the phone and the display will show you all the info. Let me enable this feature. Now let me show you how it works. For example, if you lock your device and just put it on the table, you have to lift it up, and as you can see, the info about the time and other stuff pops up. Now if you press the camera twice really quickly, you've got access to your camera, if you press the power key, of course. So let's just press power key twice and the camera pops up. Alright, now let's go and let me show you how to use the Dolby audio settings, so the advanced audio settings. Let's open the list of all applications, choose the Dolby Atoms right here, and this is the really powerful thing. You can set up the mode of your sound. You can choose dynamic, movie, music, game, voice. You can also set up this mode by using, for example, the graphic equalizer right here. You can, for example, use the bass enhancer also, or you can use some custom mode right here. So here you can, for example, use the intelligent equalizer. You can use the surround options right here and other stuff as well. So that's it. Now let's go for the third trick. Let me show you the game booster. So let's open right here the game booster. Let me find and select the game booster icon. Here we've got the intro in the instruction in the following text. Let's tap OK. And here you've got the game booster. So you can use the mode, you can use the custom, you can use the mode which saves some power, or the performance mode to have the best performance possible. You can also, for example, turn on do not disturb while you are using the games, and you can also add some games that will be added to the game booster options. So the games are recognized automatically, but you can add some other stuff, that some other app that will be treated like the games. For example, in my case, the Chrome. Let me go back, and now if I'm using the Chrome, the following settings will be enabled. So that's it. This is the game booster, and now let's go for the other trick. Let's change some advanced display options. So let me find and select the settings, choose the display, and here you've got the advanced options. Scroll down and you can use the ambient display. So as you can see here, you can also enable and disable lift to check phone. It's really useful because this device doesn't have the screen always on feature, so this is a really useful thing. And you can also here enable the new notification when you receive some. Let's go back, and what's also really important, you can change the refresh rate, you can make it higher. You can also change the display resolution right here. This is the highest resolution possible. Alright, let's go back, and at the end let me show you the advanced color options. So let's find and select the settings again, choose accessibility, and here you can use, for example, the color inversion right here. So you can change the color by inverting the colors, or you can use the color correction. So if you enable this feature, the color will correct automatically, so it's really useful as well. And what's also really important and really interesting, you can use the magnification, for example, with triple tap. So you can zoom everything if you triple tap on the screen. Let me show you. That's it. You can enable and disable this feature right here. You can also magnify with the button right here. Here you've got the instructions. So if you enable this, the button of the accessibility pops up right here. Alright, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.